Embattled former Tshwane Executive Mayor Dr Murunwa Makwarela has been granted 10,000 rands bail. He appeared before the Commercial Crimes Court in Pretoria earlier, which granted him a bail according to the seriousness of the crime. Now, the court says Dr Makwarela is not a flight risk, but he must not tamper with witnesses. He's also been ordered to hand in his passport to the investigating officer by end of business tomorrow. Now, he's facing numerous charges, including forgery. SABC News reporter Patricia Visagie spoke to the NPA on the sidelines of the court proceedings.
Both the Hawks and the NPA say they view this matter in a very serious light, and they will do whatever it takes to ensure that justice prevails. Of course, Murunwa Makwarela is expected to be back in court on the 2nd of May. NPA spokesperson Lumka Mahanjana joins me right now. As the NPA, how confident are you that you have your work cut out for you here?
We are very confident. This is a very short and simple matter.
In terms of the investigations, of course, they're still ongoing, but there's a lot of public interest, in particular because it is a political related matter. What assurance are you giving the public that the country's constitution will be protected and there will be fairness in terms of the rule of law?
The NPA prides itself to prosecute without favor, without fear and prejudice, and will do the same with this matter.
The state did not oppose bail. Maybe take us through that.
The state did not oppose bail in the matter because he is not a flight risk, and there was no grounds for the state to oppose bail.
All right, moving forward, are there perhaps other related matters that you'll be looking into? Are there other elements that might be brought before court? We understand that we'll be back on the 2nd of May, but maybe just bring us into your confidence, update the public. What more or less will be the legal blueprint of this matter going into the 2nd of May?
For the 2nd of May, the matter was postponed in court for the disclosure of the docket so that the defense can then see the contents of the docket and what is it that we are alleging against them, and also for the accused to consult with his legal representative.
So far, has Dr Murunwa Makwarela been cooperating, supportive, and working with the NPA in good faith spirit to make sure that you can do your work as you would want to? Is he doing the right thing?
Yes, so far he has provided all the relevant and right information to the National Prosecuting Authority because he gave us the correct address. He confirmed to the court that he does not have any previous convictions. So far he's cooperating with the state.
All right, thank you so much there, the NPA spokesperson Lumka Mahanjana, just giving us an update following the brief appearance of the former Tshwane Mayor Dr Murunwa Makwarela, who appeared in court here today. Of course, we asked him how he is feeling, and he said that he feels blessed and highly favored. He expressed confidence and walked confidently into court as, of course, he came face to face with his legal battle. This after having allegedly submitted a fake rehabilitation certificate after he was declared insolvent in 2016. Of course, his bail application was dealt through an affidavit that was read by his attorney in court, and he also submitted an affidavit to the state that was also read out, and in short, he has apologized for his doings. He's also blaming some of the ANC politicians for having misled him into allegedly submitting the fake rehabilitation certificate. He's also indicated to court that he is willing to pay back every cent that he earned as councillor and speaker. Of course, as you would know, that it is unlawful for somebody who's insolvent to occupy public office. So that means he should have never been a councillor to begin with. So of course, the case being, part of the criminal justice system now, one just needs to wait and see how exactly will this matter continue. We toss it back to studio.